Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start here because a reset can trigger factory reset protection. First, confirm the device shows the Android setup wizard. This matters because Google blocks reuse without account verification. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and keep the device charging to prevent interruption. Next, prepare the Google account credentials, and if you use two-factor authentication, have your secondary device or codes ready. These steps reduce delays and prevent being locked out mid. You now sign in to remove the synced account. When the setup asks to verify, select the Google account that was previously synced and enter its password. If you can't access that account, use alternate sign in options or account recovery. Make sure to complete two-factor authentication when prompted, because Google requires it for security. Once signed in, go to your Google account security settings and remove or sign out the device. This severs the sync and clears the lock for reuse. Finish the setup and then open settings to confirm the original account is gone under Accounts. You want to avoid residual sync. Reboot the device to ensure changes persist, and then sign in with the Google account you intend to use or skip sign in if you prefer a local setup. If the device still prompts for the prior account, use Google Account Recovery immediately, and if that fails, contact the device maker with purchase proof. This is the quickest, reliable troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.